Priyanka, and today I'm going to be serving you a 3-course brunch. The first course is going to be an aperitif, which comprises of a Bloody Maria. And then we're going to move on to an amuse-bouche of a cereal spectacular. And then last but not the least, a chopra family tradition from when I was a child. My dad used to make this every Sunday. It's good old stuffed omelette. Stuff it with anything you want. So for a good Bloody Maria, you will need lots of ice, salt, pepper, a little bit of lemon juice, garnish, Worcestershire sauce. The main ingredient, it's probably in my bag. You know, never leave home without her. Hot sauce, as much as you'd like, and obviously tomato juice and whatever tequila you like. Mine's my husband's. All right, I'm gonna take the mixer, put a little ice in it. This is tequila. So I love a good Bloody Maria. Of course it can be a Bloody Mary too, but when I got married, I heard in the whispers of the Jonas family that there's something called the hair of a dog. I'm not American, I didn't know what that meant. I liked the answer. It's a Bloody Maria. That's the hair of a dog. We're gonna go and put in some salt, some pepper. Lime is integral for Bloody Maria. Splash. Worcestershire sauce. Tabasco. Please be careful with how much you put in. I like it rather spicy, so I'm happy with a lot. And then you shake. Oh boy. Let's see. Nick's gotten really good at chili. I think he always liked spicy food. See, that's better. That's so pretty. That's great. She's so strong. Woo! All right. Now that I have this, I have the courage to get onto the serious cooking. I'm not someone who can cook. I'm gonna attempt it today. So for the amuse-bouche, my cereal spectacular, we're gonna need a base cereal, flash of spectacular cereal, and whatever choice of milk you would like. This is a 2%. Oh, yes, I might need a bowl. And maybe a spoon? I usually like to have a little bit of a sweeter, spectacular flair. This is a Honey Nut Crunchy cereal, which I'm gonna put inside right now. Just for a flair. As you can see, the ratio of cereal to cereal is crucial. I just have my flair cereal on top, and we go in there. And this is your cereal spectacular. Ladies and gentlemen, she good. Oh my God. I don't know about this and a Bloody Maria together though. So now we're gonna have our main course, which is a stuffed omelette. Indian breakfast is my favorite. I love a good paratha. I love a good dosa. But eggs, I think, are universally the best breakfast thing. So the ingredients that you will need are obviously eggs. I'm gonna stuff it with sausages. Mushrooms, whatever kind of chili you like, depending on your palate. Cheese, again, whatever kind of cheese you'd like. Mine's pepper jack. Butter, because best omelettes are made with butter. Butter. With milk. Did I say salt and pepper? Salt and pepper. And of course it could go with toast. I like a little tamarind chutney on my toast. And you can also use sambal with your eggs. Amazing. So let's get started with this daunting task. I have a very, very discerning palate. I like all kinds of food, but I'm just not good at doing it. Like, culinary skills aren't my strong suit. Let's just put it that way. Okay. Didn't get on the mosquito. Good, good, good. Then, whoa! And then we're gonna fluff the eggs. Are we fluffing the eggs? I think my dad grew up in a conservative family and saw a lot of the girls having to always feel like they needed to be in the kitchen, and it was like societal pressure. So he did not want me to grow up like that. So he discouraged it. He would like, why, what are you doing in the kitchen? You don't need to, come here. So I just never learned it. Thanks, Dad. Oh, it's fine. It was novel. I think fluffy eggs are awesome with milk. Bit of salt and pepper, I think. If I need more, I can add it afterwards. My gosh, these big knives are so scary. I've definitely not been using knives for this purpose recently. This is a show called Citadel, and I play... Nothing happened. It's fine. A super spy. Knives have a very different meaning on that show. Okay, now we're gonna cook our lovely sausage. Trying to do it as elegantly as possible. Roll off. Gosh. Ah! It's making noise. Okay, what am I doing with these burnt sausage? I am putting in the mushroom. Fry that. So what we're gonna do about flavor will be the chilies, which will give it like a crisp crunch for those who are not of faint heart. Oh, our daughter is a foodie, thank God. You know, we take her with us wherever she goes and she eats whatever we eat. So she loves lamb chops, she's had Korean barbecue, she eats Indian food. She needs a variety in her food, and if you give her grilled chicken and steamed veggies, she won't eat it. It's crazy. I feel like I look ready for eggs. Let them kind of live together. This is the only thing that I feel competent doing in the kitchen. So suddenly my confidence came up. I think it's time to put in the cheese as your garnish, however much you want, and chilies, because I like my spice. Woo! This is hard. She's just... Oh my gosh. Okay. She was slightly dismembered for a second, but we put her back together. I'm very proud of this stuffed omelette. I only get toast. Look at this beautiful brioche. Brioche, beautiful, yummy, clouds of flavor. Slather that beauty on. Yummy. So, tamarind chutney is a very southern Indian flavor. It adds like a tangy, sweet and sour sort of punch to your bread. There's something about sweet and salty and chili and sweet that is really yummy to me. So that's why, because we've used chilies, we're going to use a little tamarind chutney. Careful. Pretty. Then we are going to take our beautiful omelette, place it, hopefully prettily, over this toast. Sambal for flavor, if somebody would like it. Little chili. That's our entree. Little watered down, but you know, still standing strong. Now let's get into this beautiful omelette with the brioche. Ooh, this is stuffed. I'll show you. Okay, I can't not cook.